In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations in Descript using their AI-powered tool, Underlord. Animations can add an engaging layer of interest to your videos, making them more dynamic and visually appealing. Descript's Underlord AI is a fantastic tool to automate this process, saving you both time and effort while ensuring that your video looks polished and professional. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's talk about how Underlord works. This AI feature can automatically add animations, like zoom-ins, fade-outs, and more, to your visuals or captions by simply responding to your prompts. You don't need any special skills or animation background to start using it effectively, which makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. How you prompt Underlord will determine the type of animation applied, so it's essential to get familiar with the kind of language it responds to. For instance, if you want to create visual interest right from the start, you might instruct Underlord by saying, "Add zoom in and outs at the start of all of my scenes or jump cuts." This command tells the AI to automatically introduce a sense of motion and focus change whenever a new scene begins or there's a jump cut. These zoom effects can guide the viewer's attention and help accentuate key moments or transitions in your video. If you're looking to create a smooth, professional ending for your video, you could use a prompt like, "Make the video fade out the last 10 seconds." This command will apply a fade-out effect to the last few seconds of your video, ensuring a gentle conclusion to your content. Such an effect often signals to the viewer that the video is ending, providing a seamless viewing experience. Another common use of animation is enhancing your title screen. You might choose to prompt, "Animate the title screen." This instruction will trigger Underlord to apply animations specifically to your title screen, making it more dynamic and engaging from the very start. A well-animated title screen can capture the viewer's attention and provide an enticing introduction to your video. As you can see, using Underlord is predominantly about understanding what kind of animations will best enhance your video and communicating this clearly. While the AI handles the technical part, your creative input is crucial. Spend some time thinking about the mood and style of your video and tailor your prompts to reflect that. Overall, Underlord takes the complexity out of video animation, allowing you to focus more on content creation. Remember, clarity and specificity in your commands will yield the best results. Play around with different prompts to see what works for your video's unique style. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.